Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Today in React with TypeScript learning series, we are going to learn how we can use class component in React with TypeScript. So here I am taking a simple example of counter to understand what are the changes we have to make as compared to normal React program and when we are using the TypeScript with a React program. So here I have a class component and that I called here in app component. So here I am just creating a small counter state variable. So I say state, and in this state I just declare this count. Here I just say class counter, then I display this counter. I say this dot state dot count, and here I take br tag, then I take button, I say on click, here I say increment function event handler, then we say class name. So class name would be of bootstrap primary class, and here I say increment, and I save this. So we have this. Now we have to create a function. So I take function increment, then I take this arrow function and I say this, we have to use this function to update it. Here if I normally update, I say, you see, if I say count plus 1, normally if I update it like this and I save this, so cannot find this, so we have to give here that this dot state dot count like that. So we did this, counter is working now. Now I need to create I need to pass this function as this. I save this. You see that it working just like we use in normal React program. And here if I say increment, it's working, no changes, same, but one change is there. If I pass here as a function and I count previous value, I say prev state, and here I pass here and I say count, then we have previous state dot count plus 1, like this we are passing here. Remember that now we have a error, does not exist, but it is available here. It's saying does not exist because in React with the TypeScript we have to mention here the two parameter. First parameter is the property. If you have, I don't have property here, so I am just doing it blank object. But if I have here the state variables, then I have to specify the type of this state variable. For that I create interface and I say state props and I declare it count to number like this. Now here I pass second argument as a state props. Save this, and you see that error is gone because we have specified here that state variable have a count which number type. We may take more values also here, it depend on the situation of a program, and this is blank here because we are not having any property. And you see that if I do increment, it's working perfectly as it was working previously. Now one more change I do, I say I'm passing here a message and I say in this message counter value is equal to, like this I am passing. So you see we have a error because we do not specify this property. So now I need to pass property, but you know we have a this dot props. So here I use to print here, I say this dot props dot, you see we don't we are not getting any value here, we have an error. You see, we having error that does not exist, because we have to specify property also. So we say interface, and I say props type, and here I specify that is MSG of string type. Save this. Now here I need to specify this type, so I remove it and I pass here props type, remember, and save this. So after doing this, you see error is gone, and now we have property also. You see counter value is, and we can increment like this. So like this way we can pass property also, we can pass counter also. That means we can pass property also, types of property here, and we can pass the types of state also here. Like this way we can access this, we can use the states and property in class component using TypeScript in React. That's all in this video. If you like this, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.